A Japanese young woman's book on decluttering and organizing has sold 2 million copies worldwide. The heart of Marie Kondo's message is helping people to get rid unneeded things in their homes and closets, things that weigh them down. Holding up its item, she said and asked, "Does it spark joy? If the answer is yes, keep it. If the answer is no, then give it away." The Bible clearly says, "Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things." Another day, another life lesson.